So my name's Johaida Pfister. I'm with Hilton Head Island Fire Rescue, and I am the Deputy Chief of Administration. So what that means is I have our strategic planning section, our community risk reduction, our 911 communications center, and our communications and marketing person. Yes, yep. I was the person that got to review all of the submittals for new reporting software. The customer service was the main thing. And we were really looking for a product that we knew that we weren't going to implement a patient care reporting, but everything else that we do at Fire Rescue, we wanted a way to track our inventory and maintenance because we have a maintenance shop that works on our vehicles. We have fire inspectors, so we wanted a good inspection program as part of the software as well. And then just our incident reporting, we also wanted to make sure that it was customizable and that we could get the data out that we needed for accreditation. So, but the customer service was really what, in the end, we just really appreciated the time they put into answering everything that we needed. I mean, there's always hiccups along the way, but like I said, I feel like they were there to answer every question we had. We are a very progressive department in the sense that like we want what we want, and that is something that Fireworks has really embraced with us. They every time we ask for something, it's never no, we're not going to do that. It's like, let us see if we can, and we get an answer back very quickly. And if it's not something they can do right at that moment, it's something that we continue to get updates on, that they're still working on it. And most everything we have asked for, we have gotten in the end. I think my favorite is the BI and all of the reporting aspects. That was something in our old software, we had to rely on our computer people to do the reports that we wanted. And I just love being able to see the graphs. We integrate those into into our dashboard that we put into all the stations so they can see their times. And it's just like, if I on a whim am like, what is this? What is something I want to look at? Like, I have the ability to just grab all of those parts and pieces and make a report and figure out what's going on in our department.